You are invited. Is digital learning replacing traditional education, or is this simply transforming the way we learn? Dr. Nicholas Awar, research assistant in digital learning technologies, will share insights and real-world perspectives on the evolving landscape of education. If you are curious about the future of learning, this is a conversation you won't want to miss. Mark your calendar, bring your questions, and be part of the discussion shaping the future of education. May 2, 2026, at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Live streaming on the Digital Tech and Education YouTube channel. You are invited.
ታላቅ የቀጥታ ስርጭት ፕሮግራም ቅዳሜ ሚያዝያ 24 2018 ከረፋዱ 4 ሰዓት ከዲጂታል ቴክ እና ትምህርት የዩቲዩብ ቻናል። በዚህ ዝግጅት የዲጂታል ትምህርት የቀድሞውን የመማር ሂደት መተካት ወይስ የምንማርበት መንገድ መቀየር በሚል የመወያያ ርዕስ ከተጋባዥ እንግዳው ከረዳት ተመራማሪ ዶክተር ኒኮላስ አወር በቀጥታ ስርጭት እናገናኙታለን። በመሆኑም በእለቱ በመገኘት ንቁ ተሳታፊ እንዲሆኑ ተጋብዘዋል።